Hello traders, this is Igor from FX Igor YouTube channel, and today we will just try to answer a simple question. What is MT4 or MetaTrader? MetaTrader 4 or MT4 is an electronic trading platform widely used by online retail forex exchange traders. It was developed by Mt4 software, and I think it's 2005, and the software was licensed to foreign exchange brokers who provide the software to their clients. The software very often is maybe, I think, the most famous trading software on the world. The software consists of both a client and server component, and the server component is run by the broker, and the client software that is provided to broker customers who use it to see live streaming price and charts, to place orders, and to manage their accounts. So we know several things. The first thing, developer is Mt4 Software Corporation. The other thing, this software is working on Windows platform, Android platform, and iOS platform. Then this is the special license to Mt4 Software Corporation, and people can download this software from metacodes.net website. Of course, and on all websites that brokers promote MT4 and MT5 platform. So what we need to know is more about functionality. So let me right now see the basic things. As you can see in the top, we have the File, View, Insert, Chart, Tools, Window, and Help. In File section, we can create charts, we can open charts offline, we can make profiles, close, save our profiles and pictures, we can open the data folder, open account, and so on and so on. Then on the View section, we can use a lot of things. The first thing is Market Watch, Data Window, Navigator, Terminal, Strategy Tester. In the Insert section, we can insert indicators and put on the chart, like, as you can see, Relative Strength Index or any other. Then we can pick the way how we can look the charts, time frames, template. We can zoom in or zoom out. In Tools section, we can go to the History section and see whole history for MT4 platform. In Window, we can set our windows as we wish to see. For example, cascade or not, and so on. In Help, you can read and see everything that you like about this platform. But right now, let me see the basic things. On the left side, you have a symbol window. Of course, you can always go here in View, and you can pick Market Watch, Data Window, Navigator, and Terminal. Terminal is here. It is the section when you can see your balance, when you can see your open trades. This is the terminal. Navigator is a special part as this, where you can see your accounts, indicators, expert advisors, and etc. etc. For example, I want to put Ishimoku on my chart. I can put very easily. For example, I want to see parabolic SAR. I will do very easily. And you can add any kind of indicator very easily. Just drag and drop. This Navigator section is the most important section that is very easy to use in this platform. Then we need to go to see Insert indicators. So you can insert indicator here or using Navigator window. Of course, you can draw trend lines like this very easily. You can move left, right. You can change the colors. Just go in Properties and change your color very easily. And this is the very, very good and very easy to manage even your first time here in this platform. What we need to see and tell something advanced, it's about function. The client terminal includes a built-in editor and compiler with access to user contributor free library software, articles, and help. The software uses a proprietary scripting language Mt4 or Mt5 for MT5. And important thing is to say that there is an expert advisor part where you can use to automate your systems. MT4 designed to be used as a standalone system with the broker manually managing their position, and this is a common configuration used to brokers. What is the important thing is that there are two types of trading orders in MT4. It is pending orders and market orders. Pending orders will be executed only when the price reaches a predefined level. And when we have a pending orders, we need to wait to price touch that level. For example, we can do new order. For example, just put one lot, we put the stop loss, and just buy or sell. Of course, we can create the pending order when we just go here, market execution, and in send market execution, we can put the pending order, and then we can set buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, and very easily create the trades in MetaTrader. So it's very easy and very, very fast. Of course, sometimes when you're very hurry, you just need to press like this. Go there, for example, the symbol section, press twice, and you will see without new order button, just here press the price, and very easily you can create the order. It's very easy to use and very good to use. But now, like I said, MT4 and MT5 are different softwares, and there is another question. What is the difference between the MT4 and MT5? What is the difference between the MT4 and MT5? Let me see. First, execution. MT4 4, MT5 3. Security groups, MT4 has 32 and MT5 unlimited. Then we go about versions. MT4 is 32-bit version and MT5 is 64-bit version. Then we have a balance and credit for MT4. But at MT5 we have a balance, credit, correction charge, bonus, commission, agent, and interest. When you compare the tables, MT4 has tables only, and MT5 has charts, HTML5, and tables. Let me now compare programming languages. MT4 use MQL4 programming language. MQL4 is used for developing trading program based on the order system. MQL4 requires multiple functions for performing each trading operations. Programs for MT4 cannot run on MT5 and more simplistic than MQL5. On the other side, MQL5 used to implement a positional system. It's more efficient and easier to use. Traders can write and alter scripts, and trading operations are done by sending trade requests using just one function. Now let me compare the pending orders. MT4 has 4 and pending orders at MT5 is 6. Account groups, we can create 512 account groups and MT5 unlimited. C++ is the base programming language that we can compare with MQL4. On the other side, MT5 use C++, ACP.NET, and PHP. Then we can talk about SQL export. MetaTrader 4 has limited MySQL, and MT5 has native MySQL, Oracle. Then there is a special processes that can use at MT4, MT5. At MT4 we have a fill or kill. MT5 we have a fill or kill, emit or cancel return. Then we have balance transaction types. When we compare that, we can see that MT4 has balance and credit, and on the other side MT5 has balance, credit, correction charge, commission, agent, and interest. On the end, I just will show that we can create very beautiful charts here. For example, we can go save templates. For example, I have a beautiful templates like this, and use these templates for regular trading. Of course, one thing just to show you, except the indicators that we have, I have a lot of indicators. There is an expert advisor that we can use. For example, we can just put, drag and drop any kind indicator here, set everything press OK, and then we'll have automated traders and platform will trade without us. This is the very good thing, and for beginner traders, I think that this video is just enough. Of course, in the future, we will create a lot of videos. Every single thing, every single step, how we can do something, change the chart, change the background, set the positions, create pending position, market execution positions, how to use indicators, how to use expert advisors, how to save our profiles, and a lot of questions we will do in next videos, and we'll try to help to use this platform very easy. Thank you. Bye bye.